How can popular tourist sites remain unspoiled by tourism? We found a solution, and you can become part of it. For a few days every year, popular sites and attractions will be closed for regular tourists. Instead, we're welcoming volunteers from around the world to the Faroe Islands to lend us a helping hand.
On behalf of the Visit Faroe Islands team, it's my great pleasure to welcome you all to the Faroe Islands.
I think it's such a good idea to get the tourists to help out. And it feels really good to be able to help instead of being seen as a burden.
Together with locals, voluntourists will help maintain walking trails, viewpoints, and ancient cairns to preserve our beautiful nature.
I would really recommend others to join this experience. It's totally worth it.
I live in a city in London, so to be out there doing physical labour is a completely different, you could call it holiday.
I will apply every year. Yeah. Every single year. I will try my best to come back and join.